So you're happily working along, doing your stuff, making a few commits, and cleaning up the repository. Maybe deleting all the local branches. And once you have all those deleted, you realize you need to go back to another branch. And then instead of creating one and doing a checkout, what you do is you reset. And not only that, you reset hard, meaning you get rid of all the commits and all the work. And once you've done that, all your commits are gone. So what now? You can check the status of your Git repository and take a look, but there is nothing. You can also take a look at the Git log. And also, there is nothing. Luckily, Git provides us with a Git ref log. The ref log is a list of things that have happened to your head, meaning every change you did is still in there. Let's restore to head 4 moves ago and see what happens. Okay, that seems better, but we're not quite there yet. Let's give it another try. Let's clear the screen again and open the Git ref log one more time. This time let's try 3 moves ago. And there you go. Everything is back again. Wonderful.